Hello students, welcome to Toppscholars. Students, today we are going to discuss about an interesting topic, and that is acceleration. Now let's start with your first topic, that is acceleration. Now what is exactly acceleration? In simple words, if you will define acceleration, it is defined as the rate of change of velocity with respect to time. So what is acceleration? Rate of change of velocity with respect to time. So student, if suppose velocity changes, it means that there is certain acceleration acting on that body. So wherever there is change in velocity, what we'll assume that there is certain acceleration. Okay. Now let's see an example. Suppose a car is moving with a constant speed of 80 kilometers per hour. Okay. How much? 80 kilometers per hour. Another example, suppose a plane is flying with a constant speed of 1000 kilometers per hour. So students, in these both examples, okay, in one example, the car is moving with 80 kilometers per hour. Another example, the plane is moving with a speed of 1000 kilometers per hour. In which do you think there is acceleration? Come on, tell me which one, the car or the plane? No, there is no acceleration. Why? Because there is no change in velocity. So, whenever there is change in velocity, we'll assume that there is certain acceleration. So, student, what we studied? Acceleration. And what is acceleration? The rate of change of velocity, but with respect to time. So, the equation for acceleration can be given as change in velocity upon time. Now student, let's assume there's a bicycle with an initial velocity u starting from point A and moving towards another point B having a velocity v. Suppose the time taken by the bicycle is t. For example, if the initial velocity is 0 meters per second, the final velocity is 10 meters per second, and the time taken is 5 seconds. Now, how will you calculate the acceleration? The equation of acceleration can be given as A, it is equals to v minus u upon t, where v is nothing but final velocity, that is 10, u is initial velocity, that is 0, upon time, that is 5 seconds. So, the total value will be 2 meters per second square. Simple.
To learn more about this topic, download Toppscholars app.